Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a 13-14 Contenders, and it's break number 149, and the last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets. And the time was 1938 Eastern. Just bring your attention to that guy. He's a non-payer. I don't like doing that, but he stung me for quite a bit of money, so I'll get the word out. I don't want anybody else to be stung by him. Here's your eBay time. We'll refresh it up. 16:55 Pacific, 19:55 Eastern, 20:55 right here where I'm at, Nova Scotia. Here is the list of winners and their respective teams. Thank you to everyone for pitching in and buying. It's always great fun. I just did my Prime / Dominion break. Somebody's going to get an awful nice surprise there. I'm not going to say who. But I will say that it was a pretty sweet card. There you go. 149 is the break number. Serial number ending in 0967. So, here's our box. And here's our serial number ending in 0967. So, let's get right to it. Let's get right to it. Yeah, the Prime box started off with a base card that was half mangled. It didn't look like it was going to be much, but it was a pretty good box, for sure. So here we go with Contenders. Good luck, everybody. Start them off. Matt Molson for Buffalo, NHL Inc. That's an autograph, they're not numbered. And that goes out to Golf Fan 63. Congratulations and welcome. Wow. Must be something good in that. And we've got a Contenders goalie, 43 out of 100. James Reimer for Toronto. That goes out to WMAC 22. I got the gear for these things. It's a nice thick one. Probably just a spacer. But maybe not. I don't think it is. It's probably a rookie ticket. And it is. For the Boston Bruins, Dougie Hamilton. And that is numbered 54 out of 100. Nice auto. Not much of a patch, but very nice nonetheless. For the Minnesota Wild, JPJ, 12/21. We've got a rookie ticket, and that's Jonas Brodin. They are not numbered, but very nice. Congrats. I'll show them all upside down. They're all base cards. There's the spacer we was talking about. So let me readjust this camera just a little bit. That's better, I think. And we've got another base pack. And I'm guessing this is another base pack. Surprised me. No surprises there. This hopefully is a nice patch card. I think it's just a spacer in there, but like I said before, surprised me. Panini Contenders. Selkie Contenders, David Clarkson for the Toronto Maple Leafs, and that is numbered, if I can get it in there, 322 out of 499, and that goes up to WMAC. And we've got a Heart Contenders for the Rangers. Rangers goes out to Bush Dude, 98. And it's 163 out of 499. It goes to Brad Richards. Congratulations. And just a base pack. And another base pack. I think there's 6 or 7 base packs in this product. I've never really counted. Never really counted. But we're getting a few of them now. Gotta have base packs to make the other ones just that much sweeter, huh? My next breaks will be Monday night and Tuesday night of next week. And I'll be offering the same 3 types of product. A box of Prime and Dominion married together. And by the way, it's the Dominion will be from a brand new case. Then I'm going to have another box of Contenders, and then a 2 box of Crown Royal. For the Panthers and Keegan, we got Jonathan Rialt autograph for the Panthers. Congratulations. And we got 4 packs to go. And at least 2 of them will be base, I'm sure. Three to go. 2 of them to go. Try not to get a base this time. There we go. We've got Luke Gazdic for Keegan and the Oilers, numbered 84 out of 600. That's a nice rookie card. Last pack. And we've got Norris Contenders for the Oilers. Justin Schultz, numbered 56 out of 499. There we go, losing my voice. Alrighty, there you have it. Thanks very much, and hope to see you Monday and Tuesday night. Till then, good night and happy bidding.